Good morning students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So this is the fourth semester. Okay, fourth semester, the title name is Algebra. Third semester the title is then Real Analysis. Okay, so Real Analysis and next వచ్చేసి Algebra. That is only totally theory topic. It's more than theory topic. Okay, in the theory topics, first of all we introducing the algebra. You know that the algebra, the set of all elements in that groups. Okay, so it has to define in that algebra binary operations are there. So what are the binary operations? You know that the binary operations and binary operations, addition, subtractions, multiplication, divisions, those are the binary operations. We use these binary operations in that algebra. We find something elements in that. Okay, first of all we introducing the syllabus. In that syllabus algebra, first syllabus is groups. So first of all, what is then group? Group is nothing but it has to satisfy four properties. Group is nothing but it has to satisfy four properties. First of all, what are the four properties, and discussing the four properties. So first introduction of unit 1 is in groups only. So now we introducing the topic groups. So first of all, the definition of a group is nothing but it has to satisfy four properties. Okay, those four properties are: first property is enclosure, second property is associative identity in ours. These four properties satisfies is known as a group. And then elementary properties of a groups, and elementary properties and extra properties also there. So that is an elementary properties. And then next topic is in finite groups. You know that the finite group, it is an finite means it has to finite number of elements. Finite number of elements means it has to find countable numbers అంటే కౌంట్ చేయడానికి వీలుగా ఉన్నట్టు finite group. And infinite groups, it is does not to countable, it not countable elements is known as uncountable elements. Countable means finite, infinite means not countable. Finite groups, it is a countable number of a group. There's a group is there, and then subgroup, group, subgroup, and the continuation process. So groups and four properties, and then subgroup is also we have to satisfy some group, and it has to satisfy group, and the extra one more condition is there, that is known as a subgroup. So first we have satisfies group, and then we satisfies the extra conditions are there, it is known as a subgroup. Same process, subgroup means the examples of subgroup and then processes. Okay, this is the group. And then cyclic group. So cyclic group is nothing but we have two cyclic permutations are there. Cyclic group is nothing but cyclic permutations. It has to find out the cyclic permutations. This is the symbolic relation of cyclic. In the cyclic group, for example 1 2 3, in that open bracket 1 2 3 4, this is the cyclic permutation. Cyclic permutation formation, how it is to form the cyclic permutations, that is known as the properties of cyclic permutations. And then subgroup of a cyclic groups, and the properties of cyclic groups, and then classification of a subgroup of cyclic and subgroup mention చేస్తున్నాడు. And in cyclic groups, groups and subgroups. Okay, so first we define the definition of group, and then subgroup, and then cyclic group. These are the most important topic in groups. Is cyclic group is the most important topic. And then permutation groups. Permutation group, and first two units is known as groups. First two units is known as groups, and third unit is some topic is also there. So first group is opposite is nothing but opposite means not an opposite which is extend some elements is known as a ring అవుతుంది. Okay, so first of all group, subgroup, and cyclic group. Next we define that permutation group, subgroup, cyclic group, permutation groups. This is also permutations. Permutation group is nothing but it has to satisfy 1 1 and onto. You know the 1 1 and onto function bisection. So 1 1 and onto, both two conditions satisfies, which is known as a bisection. Okay, so 1 1 and onto, these two conditions satisfies, which is known as a bisection. First of all First one, what is an 1 1 function is an which has to satisfy the condition, that is an f of x equals to f of y, then implies x equals to y is known as an 1 1 function. Okay, and then 1 1 and on to, and next one is nothing but if 1 1 and on to is uncompleted, 1 1 is uncompleted, and then on to is nothing but is an every element of an A is nothing but every element as an B, each and every element. This is known as a onto functions. These two conditions satisfies, which is known as a permutation group, the permutation groups, and then the extra permutations are there. The cube root, automorphism, isomorphism, properties of an isomorphism, Cosette's Lagrange theorem, properties of a groups. This is known as a permutations of a group. Okay, and the third unit is an normal subgroups. Normal subgroups and factor groups. Normal subgroups and factor groups are there. So normal subgroup is already group we defined G, subgroup we defined H. Okay, permutation group is defined as there is no symbol, but normal subgroup we defined is also H, and subgroup here we observe that we here subgroup is there, first subgroup, and then normal subgroup and group. First group has 4 properties, and subgroup is what is these 4 properties, and then extra conditions are there. Normal subgroup is these 2 subgroups, and then we satisfies the one condition is there, that is known as a normal subgroup, and x inverse is known as a normal subgroup is there. Okay, so normal subgroup, first of all, normal subgroup definition, and then factor groups. You know that the factor group, there is the factor formation, that is known as the factor groups, normal subgroup factors. Then automatically applications. Okay, and homomorphism is there. Homomorphism is nothing but it has to satisfy 2 conditions are there, that is a homomorphism and under addition and under multiplication, f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y, f of x into y, under addition f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of, and multiplication f of x into f of y, f of x into y equals to f of x and f of y. This is known as under multiplication. And then this is the most, first we group has 4 properties, is the ring has an extra those 4 properties though, and those properties also, and extra some more conditions are there, that is known as a ring, that is known as a ring. In that ring, first we discussing the first of all group and semi group, and then under addition. So first we discussing the topics. Group is under addition or multiplication and subtraction, we take anything binary operations, but any one is used, any one we use. Under addition is only we use NAND, under multiplication only we use under multiplication, under subtraction we only we use under subtraction. So these are only binary operation under group, but ring we use anything, and under addition, under multiplication we use at a time, under multiplication subtraction we use at any time, but ring only. And first of all we, and that mainly topic under addition and under multiplications only is there. So but the ring we use under addition and multiplication at a time, but group is only under addition or under multiplication. ORR means anyone. Under addition is on addition we use addition only, subtraction we use subtraction only, multiplication only multiplication, but you have to use both addition multiplication, both you used is known as a ring. There's some properties are there we discuss in the syllabus. Okay, and then in the ring, introduction to ring. So introduction to ring, then after subring, same group subgroup and ring subring, same. And then integral domains, here a permutation group is there, here integral domains is there. Okay, and then ideals means on that ideals and factor rings. Ideals is the definitions is there, we discussing that topics. So ideals and factors. Since ideals, we know that ideals, prime ideals, maximal ideals. So unit 4 in that. Okay, ring homomorphism same. అక్కడ group homomorphism is there, here ring homomorphism, group subgroup, ring subring, ring homomorphism, group homomorphism, permutation group, ideals and rings, introduction, integral domains, factors, rings. So that is the same process. First 2 units is the group, second 2 units is the rings. Second unit some topic is group is also there, permutation group, group. Here we observe the group, subgroup, cyclic group, permutation group, normal subgroup. Here ring, subring, integral domain, ideals, factor rings, and then ring homomorphism. Here also group homomorphism also there. Here we observe that group homomorphism is nothing but a group homomorphism. The definitions of isomorphism in that same syllabus. The group homomorphism is nothing but here. That is the group homomorphism. Here which is the group homomorphism. This is the syllabus. Now we continue the next video syllabus.